Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your ChatGPT email address. I'm Ayakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. Well, there's really not a direct option to change your ChatGPT email address, but in this video, I'll show you another method to use an alternative email. So first, open up your preferred web browser and go to platform.openai.com. Once the site opens up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner and select Accounts. From the given options, select Members. And here, as you can see, there is no direct option for change email address. But what we can do is tap on Invite Members right here. And now set a name and simply enter your email address. Once you're done, click on the Invite button and you're good to go. So this way, even if you can't change your email address, you can still use ChatGPT with your alternative email. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.